Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you sick and tired of rushing out the door, missing out on precious memories with your kids, and wondering if things will ever change? So, the real question is digital marketing actually a good career for moms like us, or is it just another online hustle type? Well, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because I will introduce you to real moms who are getting real results using digital marketing. And I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi and I'm studying for my degree in business here in Dublin. Now, I help busy moms learn the skills to build a successful digital business so they can finally fire the boss and get to spend more quality time with the family. So let's define digital marketing, the career as a lens through of a mom, right? Why is it the best thing for you as a mom? So digital marketing is all about promoting your product or service online. You can choose to promote your own products, so you have that flexibility. You can choose to promote other people's products, and you can choose to promote businesses, whatever it is that you choose. But it's learning that skill, right? And the best part about it is, as a mom, digital marketing is flexible. You can actually work around your schedule. As long as you have the internet, the device, then that's all you need, and the time to actually work, right? You can scale it very fast. You can start small and you can grow it gradually or fast. It's up to you. And the impact is huge because not only can you use the skills to build your business, you can help other businesses do the same as well, right? So there's fulfillment in building something that's actually yours from scratch. So compared to other business models, like let's say affiliate marketing is where you promote other people's products or services for a commission. It's great, but you get a percentage which is determined by the owners of the product or service. So it could be anywhere from 20% to 80% if you're lucky. And network marketing is great as well because you get to leverage your network and earn from your upline and downline and all those things. However, you get to share your profits with your team, right, and the company as well. And there's things like drop shipping, where you have to deal with shipping, handling, and tariffs and all these things. But one of the ways that you can earn through digital marketing is a business model called master resale rights, where you can you can buy a done for you program one time and have the rights to resell that program over and over again and get paid 100% of the commissions paid instantly and directly to you, right? So it's great. So why do companies, businesses need digital marketing in 2025 and going forward? It's because as a business, you have to be where your target audience is. So your target audience is online, they're on social media, they're on different groups, forums. So you have to reach out to them. It's the most efficient way to reach out to them digitally as well. It's less expensive than doing it in the physical sense, and the world becomes yours. You can become global online, right? So and more businesses are going digital. So even if it's a physical business, they're going digital to attract their perfect audience. So demand for digital marketing is exploding. It's absolutely exploding because people are waking up to this idea that they need to be online. So you're not chasing trend, you're chasing a future-proof skill set, a skill set that you can use to build your business or other people's businesses. So it's really, really good. And it aligns with your mom because you can work around your schedule. So you can work evenings, weekends, when the kids are at school, when the kids are at different activities. As long as you have the internet and a device, you can work your business, right? And it helps you build your confidence, your identity, and your purpose beyond motherhood. So let me share with you here. I'm part of a live interactive coaching and mentorship program that teaches me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. And what I'm loving about this program is that even though it's a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7 figure mentors. And I get paid 100% commission sessions selling a product that I never created, a proven program product with proven results. I don't even have to deal with support or any of that, but I get to keep all the money. So what I want to do is I want to share our bonus site and introduce you to some of the moms who are making money using this system, right? So go ahead and share my screen, and here we go. So we have over 54,000 paid members in our community, and these people are everywhere. I'm in Europe right now, so they're in Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, everywhere across the world. And this is a live interactive coaching and mentorship. So yesterday we had this Q&A session with Jess Cox. She's a six-figure mentor. We have weekend training with Kim coming on, technical call. Next week, Monday, we have mentoring with Tim, who's a six-figure mentor. So we have all this live interactive coaching and mentorship where we get to unmute ourselves, ask questions. But we also have this classroom, which has more bonus tools and resources to help us build our business. The Freedom Sprint is one of my favorite tools in this here, where the way it works is for 90 days, our multi-millionaire mentor takes us by the hand and walks us through step by step by giving us tools to help us stay focused on building our business. So today, I haven't watched this is yesterday actually. She's talking about finishing the sprint strong. So in this video, she's talking about mindset really. And if I can click here, she's talked about all sorts of things, building your list, Chat GPT. We actually learned to get Chat GPT to audit our social media platforms, which is very, very powerful, right? So let me ask you this: what would it be worth for you to have a multi-millionaire take you by the hand every single day for 90 days, helping you stay accountable to your business? Free webinar details. This is just extra tools and resources where our multi-millionaire mentor and six-figure mentors do the selling and the telling for us, and they give us the tools and resources to help us promote this webinar. Very powerful. We have mindset training from six-figure mentors, social media training, mentoring, Zoom replays, 6 figures in 6 months, and we also have a content vault where we can download content and upload it onto our social media profile. But let's go ahead and share the wins that we have in our community. Angelique, 11 hours ago, first sale in just 10 days. I'm so happy. I made my first $100. Congratulations. Second $100 Launchpad sale. That's Constance 2 days ago. Congratulations. Christy, 14 hours ago, I made a $900 sale while on the beach. So grateful. Congratulations. I made $900. Earldon, congratulations. Christy, another $900 day. All the glory to God. That's 10 hours ago. Victoria, 1,800, sick in bed. I never get over it. And by the way, she's one of our six-figure mentors. Christina got 1 million views on the 1st of June and $3,000 in sales, right? Because views do turn into likes and comments, and they do turn into sales. That's absolutely amazing. That's Christina again there, 900 before coffee. Our multi-millionaire is in Europe, traveling around here, just sharing that. Wendy, let's see. Waking up, my Kyla, 19 hours ago, waking up to $900 before I even rolled out of bed. Congratulations. Small wins, pass whatever, pass my certification. Alana and Wyndham, 40,000 Rand so far in July. $100 sale came in while hiding from the winter cold in bed. It's winter in South Africa. Tevi, 5 hours ago, $900 on my live. And she's talking about the Chat GPT audit. That was an amazing exercise to do. I absolutely agree with that. I got Chat GPT to audit my social media channels, and I got that confirmation that I'm on the right track and got some tips as well, okay? So what we have here is a proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint that anybody can use. You can start from nothing, no experience, no technical skills, no following, and you can start to learn the skills to build a successful digital business. For the explosive growth in 2025. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step 6-figure blueprint, Type blueprint in the comments so I can send you a free copy of our Freedom Formula Blueprint. I'll deliver this blueprint to your inbox. Check your spam, check your promotional folder, and respond to my email. Let's have a conversation because I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.